Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to Crystal DIY. Welcome back to our channel. If today is the first time you're seeing our channel, please hit the subscribe button, like my video, subscribe to my video, and share to people that might need this. So in today's edition, I'll be teaching you how to bleach red oil, 25 liters of red oil, how to bleach it. It happens that I went for training, so I bleached large quantity of oil for my students for the production, for the training. So I decided to show you guys, for you to know how to bleach your oil. I think I have a video here in this channel how to bleach oil, but I think I bleach 1 liter of oil or thereabouts, 1 liter to 2 liters. But in today's edition, I'm going to bleach 25 liters of red oil. So this is exactly what I will do. If you haven't subscribed to my channel at this point, please do so. Yes, this is the ingredients I'm using for it. This is hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to use hydrogen peroxide. Whenever you're using this hydrogen peroxide, make sure that you use protective measure. If you can't have your ways around it, make sure you use protective measures like glove. And this is sulphonic acid. All of us know that sulphonic acid is a stain removal. It removes oil stains and all that. So these are the 2 ingredients that we are going to use for this, and we are going to pour in 250 ml each. 250 ml each. You are going to use 1% of your total oil. 1% of your total oil. So since we are bleaching 25 liters of oil, so what we are going to use is 250 ml. So this cup that I'm holding is a calibrated cup. It comes with measurements by the side, I think inside. Yes, I bought it in the market. So it's 250 that I'm going to pour in. So first of all, I'm going to pour in my hydrogen peroxide. But even if you pour in sulphonic acid before you pour hydrogen peroxide, it's the same thing. All of them will mix together to give you what you want. One of them, I think hydrogen peroxide, sulphonic acid, I mean to say, will activate hydrogen peroxide. Yes. So I've measured it out, 250 ml. I'm going to pour it in our oil. So this is the oil that we are going to use. So for people that is looking for oil, for red oil, you know that red oil is kind of cheaper. You can buy red oil during the time of around March or February. March is usually cheap during that period. I think this period we bought oil at that period that people do storage. We bought it at the amount of I think 23,000, 20,000 naira this year, but I think it has increased. But even if it's increased, there is still oil that they call them, I don't really know, but they call it's specially made, the last oil that they are using for soap. So you can get it from these oil mills, and that is the kind of oil we are bleaching now. This is not the oil that they are eating. If you are here, you will see that this oil is smelling kind of, it has a bad smell. So we will use this oil to bleach it, to also reduce the smell, and also kind of cheaper. Yes. Then the second ingredients we are adding is sulphonic acid. Is a stain remover, like I told you earlier. So like I was saying about the oil, so make sure you get your oil around the time that people store their oils. You are going to get it cheaper during that season. Yes. Then you also ask them, even if you want to buy, you also ask them you want to get, I think they call it sludge or fiber. Yes, they call it fiber. This particular oil is what they call fiber oil. This is fiber oil. It's not the regular eating oil that all of us know. Yes, this is fiber oil. At a point, we use our sieve to sieve out some small particles in it, but the oils are good. They are called fiber oil. So you can get it from them, from mills, people that produce oil eating oil. This is the last part of the eating oil after bringing out the ones that we are eating. So I'm going to pour in my sulfonic acid, 250 ml. Like I told you, is 1% each of each chemicals. Yes, instead of you taking it to fire, burning it, and it will start choking you, and the neighbors will start, who is cooking this thing? No, but if you use these two chemicals to bleach it, it's very easy to make and all that. So have you seen it? So you can just put it there, turn it very well, turn it rigorously very well, and keep it for like 24 hours, and everything will be fine. It will turn to groundnut oil. You bleach it, will turn to groundnut oil without stress. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe to Crystal DIY. Follow me on my social medias handle, Facebook, TikTok. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. Then my Facebook name is Learn with Crystal Hub. Follow me there to learn how to make household products. So if you want to learn how to make soap as a professional, we are available. You can chat me on the WhatsApp number that is on the screen of this video. Then if you want to buy our ebook, we have our ebook. You learn how to make a detergent, how to make bleach, how to make perfume. So many things. There is so many things in our ebook. You can as well get that one for yourself. It's self-explanatory. Yes. So that's it. So we'll turn it and keep it for 24 hours. So this is how it looks after 24 hours. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking, and thank you for sharing. Bye.